Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. In this video, I will be solving IIT JAM 2015 stat paper for you. IIT JAM 2015 stat paper for you. You will be finding more of these videos in the next session and I will be provided more of the solutions there. So stay tuned and keep checking our channel. Now let's start with question number 12. In question number 12, we are given that x and y are two independent random variables. X and y are two independent random variables such that x follows the uniform distribution with parameters 0 and 2. Also, y follows an uniform distribution with parameter 1 and 3. Now we have to calculate the value of p x less than y. Now we can say that f of x is equals to half for 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 2 and 0 otherwise. Also, f of y is equals to half for 1 less than equals to y less than equals to 3 and 0 for otherwise. From this we can conclude that, let me add a page. The joint distribution, that is f of xy, is equals to 1 by 4 for 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 2 and 1 less than equals to y less than equals to 3 and 0 for otherwise. So probability of x less than y is equals to double integration of f of xy dy dx for y is equals to 1 to 2 and x is equals to 0 to y, also plus double integration of f of xy dx dy with integration of y is equals to 2 to 3 and x is equals to 0 to 2. This results into double integration of 1 by 4 dx dy, limit should be 1 to 2 and 0 to y, plus integration of 2 to 3 0 to 2 1 by 4 dx dy. This results into 1 by 4 integration of y dy for 1 to 2 plus 1 by 4 integration of 2 dy for 2 to 3. That becomes 1 by 8 multiplied by 4 minus 1 plus half 3 minus 2. That will give us 3 by 8 plus half is equals to 7 by 8. So our answer will be 7 by 8. Now let's move on to the next question, and the next question is question number 13. Let me add a page. In question number 13, we are asked the probability of one faulty in a box. The probability of one faulty in a box will be 2c1 1 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 4, that will give us 3 by 8. Now we are to calculate probability of exactly one fault in one box. Exactly one fault in exactly one box. That will be equals to 2c1 multiplied by 3 by 8 multiplied by 5 by 8 is equals to 15 by 32. So 15 by 32 is our answer. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope this helped you solving your problems. For more videos, stay tuned and keep checking our channels. You will be provided more of the solutions of IIT JAM papers there. Thank you.